Good day everyone, welcome to my channel. So in this video we will talk about health, no? Before we start, I would like to say thank you so much to all my viewers, silent viewers and supporters in my channel. Thank you for watching my videos. If you are new with my channel and then you like this video, please hit the like button. Don't forget to share and please support my channel guys by clicking the subscribe button. So let's begin. In my channel, most of the time I'm talking about computer programming, technology and information technology. But there are some cases that we need to know about our health. Okay, so for precaution, I'm not a medical doctor, but everybody wants to become healthy. We cannot do some coding or programming, web design, doing business if we are not healthy. So in this video, I will talk about how to take care of our heart. Taking care of our heart is essential for maintaining good overall health. Heart disease is leading cause of death worldwide. But many risk factors are controllable. Here are some key steps you can take to promote heart health. Number 1, eat a heart-healthy diet. Focus on a diet rich in fruits, vegetables, whole grains, lean protein sources such as poultry, fish, and legumes and nuts. Limit saturated and trans fats as well as cholesterol. Avoid reduced consumption of red meat, processed foods, and fried foods. Minimize your salt intake to help control blood pressure. Number 2, maintain a healthy weight. Achieving and maintaining a healthy weight can reduce your risk of heart disease. Aim for a balanced diet and regular activity. Number 3, exercise regularly. Engage in at least 150 minutes of moderate intensity aerobic exercise or 75 minutes of regular intensity exercise per week. Incorporate strength training exercises at least 2 days a week. Number 4, don't smoke. If you smoke, quit is one of the most important steps you can take for your heart health. Smoking is a major risk factor for heart disease. Number 5, limit alcohol consumption. If you drink alcohol, to do so in moderation. That typically means up to 1 drink per day for women, up to 2 drinks per day for men. Number 6, manage stress. Chronic stress can contribute to heart disease. Practice stress reduction techniques like meditation, deep breathing, yoga, or spending time in nature. Number 7, get quality sleep. Aim for 7 to 9 hours of quality sleep per night. Poor sleep can increase the risk of heart disease. That's number 7. Number 8, control blood pressure. High blood pressure is a significant risk factor for heart disease. Monitor your blood pressures regularly and follow your healthcare provider's recommendation for management. Number 9, very important also, manage diabetes. If you have diabetes, work with your healthcare team to manage your blood sugar levels effectively. High blood sugar can damage blood vessels and increase the risk of heart disease. Number 10, know your numbers. Regularly check your cholesterol levels, blood pressure, and blood sugar levels. Knowing your numbers can help you make informed decisions about your heart health. Number 11, limit processed and sugary foods. Foods high in added sugars, refined carbohydrates, and unhealthy fats can contribute to heart disease. Limit your intake of sugary drinks, sweets, and processed snacks. Number 12, stay hydrated. Drink plenty of water, as dehydration can strain the heart. 13, follow medical advice. If you have any heart conditions or at increased risk due to family history or other factors, follow your doctor's recommendations for medications, treatments, and lifestyle changes. Number 14, regular checkups. Visit your healthcare provider for regular checkups and screenings. Early detection and intervention can be crucial in preventing heart disease. 15, limit caffeine in energy drinks. This is also very important. Excessive caffeine and energy drink consumption can lead to heart palpitations and high blood pressure. Be mindful of your intake. Remember that managing these lifestyle changes may not only benefit your heart but also improve your overall well-being. It's essential to consult with a healthcare professionals for personalized guidance and discuss any concern or specific risk factors you may have. Okay guys, so this is the end of my presentation and report on how to take care of our heart. We have to be healthy all the time so that we can do the things that we like. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and please support my channel guys if you are new by clicking the subscribe button. See you in the next video tutorial guys. This is your friend Jake saying bye bye for now.